Thirikari ikoretwo ikihinyiriria ati arutwo othe no nginyagia mathie thukuru cia secondary no riu Atongoria kaunti ya Embu nimoritie thirikari ige na mubango wa kuheaga arutwo irio a thukuru iria ni cia guthoma mundu akiinukaga. John Muchiri mumbunge wa Manyatta augite ciana imwe cia guthie na mbere na guthoma guku angi makiaga na mbeca cia kuria kuona mwao maumite family-ini itehotete na makiria mwena ucio wa Embu kuri icigo imwe igomeirwo ni ng'aragu.
Thirikari inasema we should not give day secondary schools bursary on assumption that they have already every student is capitated, and on that note they are advising members of parliament not to fund, not to give day secondary school bursary.
Imwe cia thukuru ta St Michael Primary ikoretwo ire na mathina maingi. Murutani wa thukuru ya kiuga ona riria kwaura mai maiyuraga irathi kuona mabati mari na marima.
Our school was started in 1965, and therefore you can imagine now all those classes which have stayed all that time. Some of them have leaking roofs, others have got floors which are cracked.
Munini wa speaker kaunti ni ya Embu Steve Simba augite kugerera NCPB thirikari iri no uhoti wa kugura irio kuuma kuri arimi a guku bururi-ini na imwe cia cio igatwarwo mathukuru-ini maya.
It means you have zero budget for the day secondary schools, and the free will be achieved. Nigetha mbia iria ciani makarutaga ni cia kumotivate ciana na kumotivate arimu na kumotivate the general day schools staffs nginya teaching staff, and that's way no kona a very high growth.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV mohoro gitau ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.